Most of this really comes down to the fact that I'm not too ugly, I'm not too stupid, and I'm not too weak. I'm not exceptional by any means. I'm trying to meet the standard of other great people. And that's why I always say the competition is weak. We need to start thinking more about who we are as individuals and stop perpetuating this hate. It's not needed. And this disgust towards one another, most of it comes from inside. I was the ugly duckling in school. Chicks hated me. I was nerdle McFardle. In fact, I still have Coke bottle glasses. Well, I'm gonna shop them in the toilet, huh? I wear contacts. I wasn't about getting LASIK, but after my failed hip surgery, I don't think I'm going to get any more surgery, especially if it's voluntary. We can all rise above it. We can all rise above it. Just don't give up. Most people give up. I never gave up. And that's what happened in the ugly Duckling. And Thomas the choo-choo train. The old engine that could. Maybe I read too many stories when I was a kid. Maybe I watched too many movies. The thing is, I can relate to a lot of things. Because we've all been there. Any kid out there who thinks that they're ugly and the world hates them, you're just above their level, and it's going to be painful for a long time. It really is. But just remember that you will be happy in the end, as long as you don't give up on yourself. On that, I want everyone to be safe and take care and think very highly of who you are. And smile. That's all we can do. And let's try not to dwell, so we can actually see the suck coming and we can embrace it and take it with a smile. Okay? I have to listen to my own words too. I'm not immune to them. Be safe.